Sometimes when we study English, we focus on difficult words, long rules, or perfect grammar. But today, I want to talk about a very small word, a quiet word, a deep word, a word that asks, is it enough?
Lingportal Online School presents
Enough, a small word that asks big questions. Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going on a journey, not just through grammar, but up a real mountain. We'll learn how to use the word enough by following Amy, a climber who is trying to reach the top of the last mountain. Let's find out if she has enough. Scene 1. Packing the backpack. Amy looks at her gear: food, rope, warm clothes. Do I have enough water? Enough plus noun. This is the most common use. We use enough before nouns when we talk about quantity. Enough time, enough money, enough patience. Common expressions. Amy asks herself, have I enough time to study English today? Have I enough books for learning English tenses? But the question is, do we always use the time we have? Amy checks the weather. Scene 2. The first slope. It's steeper than expected. The wind picks up. She climbs, but it's hard. I'm not strong enough for this. She stops, then breathes deeply. No, I trained enough. I can do this. We use the structure adjective plus enough to say that something has the right amount or degree of equality. Scene 3. Away to the top. The clouds roll in. Visibility drops. She checks her watch. Do I have enough time to reach the next shelter? You can add to plus verb to explain what the person can or cannot do. Another example. She was fit enough to climb the mountain without help. She had the necessary physical training to climb the mountain on her own. She speeds up and asks herself, is the speed slow enough for me? She's asking if the speed is suitable for her. You can also add for plus person to say who it's enough for. Want more examples? The mountain wasn't easy enough for her. The weather was good enough for her to reach the top. Scene 4. Near the top. Amy is near the top of the mountain. She walked quickly enough to reach the top before sunset. We use adverb plus enough to show that an action is done to a sufficient degree. She was brave enough to hike alone in the mountains. She climbed carefully enough to avoid any injuries. Have you noticed? The adverb describes how something is done. Enough shows the action is sufficient or suitable for a purpose. Scene 5. The peak. She climbs the final steps, exhausted, smiling, and asking herself and answering, did I have enough courage to climb the mountain? Yes. Was I brave enough? Yes. Did I climb carefully enough? Yes. Summary. Now pause the video. Take a closer look at the grammar recap to help memorize the use of enough. It is also recommended that you write down this recap so you can keep it to hand whenever you need it as a reference. Mini quiz. Choose the right form. The shoes aren't comfortable enough for hiking. We didn't leave enough time to get there. I don't speak English clearly enough to understand the guide. Here's a tricky and funny question. How many feathers does a hen have? Enough to keep it warm. And that's all you need, just enough English to make sense of the world around you. Thank you for climbing this grammar mountain with us today. You're more than enough. See you next time.